Right, here we come to the elevator at the Alexander-Dunn building at North Carolina Central University in Durham, North Carolina. This is technically a wheelchair lift. And it actually works. This is definitely dead man's control. And here it is. Yep, this is definitely a wheelchair lift, not an actual elevator. All right, I just heard the interlock. This is the only elevator here in this entire building. I'm gonna take a quick ride on this thing. These are your fixtures. I wonder what brand this is. This was installed in 2005. There's your power switch right here. These are your controls. I wonder what brand this is. Here's the brand. Oh, it's a Savaria. This kind of reminds me of the one I saw in Andrew's video of the Sheraton Hotel, which is changed to the Blue Ridge Hotel, which unfortunately is closed permanently. When Andrew filmed it with TJ Elevator Fan and STL Elevators. Andrew also knows Diesel Doozy. All right, let's ride. Here we go. That is a loud, obnoxious motor. It's a fire sprinkler in the elevator shaft. I get a cat view of this. Like I said, this is the only elevator here in this entire building. You have your stop controls. All right, let's go back down now. All right, we'll get one last cab view of this, and look how high up we are now. Look how high up this is now. Here's your cab view of this. I normally don't film wheelchair lift elevators or anything, since normally there's nothing really that exciting. But you can see all the way up there, which is a nice view. These are your fixtures. As you can see, this is constant pressure control. Press and hold the button down. Take your finger off, it'll stop. All right, we're gonna go and exit now. We'll get one last cab view of this. All right, we're gonna close. All right, there it goes, and that's it.